Let's go ahead and remove the alternator so we can get back to the back part of it, so we can run this wire off the alternator. And yeah, make sure that 2 of these is going to fit back there, and it should. So yeah, man. Use this belt tensioner release tool just because it's more easier than sitting there trying to bust your knuckles. So just slip the belt off the alternator. Like that. What I did last time, I removed this, which I'm going to do this time, because it is very, very difficult to get to. Now that we've got that taken off, we definitely got enough room to work with, so we can get in here and up under there to grab that bottom screw off for the alternator. And rest assured, everything will be cinched up correctly before I put it back on there. So yeah, man, let's get this thing going. Little stink bug. And get him off. Let's take a look at what we got here. Go ahead and remove this bolt and the alternator. And we'll be good to go. There we go. So now that everything under the hood is disconnected, gotta jack the vehicle up and start disconnecting the run all the way to the back. All right, YouTube, so now we're getting ready to go up under the vehicle. I put all the safety stuff in place so this sucker don't fall on me and crush my chest. So let's see what's up under here. We bolted the wires to the undercarriage. You look there, all the wires are strategically bolted up under there with frame ties on. So that's what it looks like when it's running up under the vehicle. So if you look here, we came up and over all the way on to the back. And I'll show you where I ended up here in just a second. So just take a look at that. You want to run yours up under the vehicle. This is how I done mine. So let's go ahead and take these loose. If you look there, I did a drill and tap. So that's how that turned out. That's the reason why these can just go in and they stay in. So now that we have all the power wire taken out, we can start working on running new wire. And that'll be in the next video. So don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and shoot, man. That's it. Peace out.